So in your opinion, how effective do you think UK Pharma has been in implementing key account management?
The answer to that is a difficult one. I think it's been very mixed.
Yeah.
I think there are examples out there of where they're definitely taking a more focused key account management approach, an approach that's far more focused on the customer. I think that a number of companies have struggled with it because it's not what they're used to. And I think I know the desire is there to get this right, because the industry in general has recognised that they have to be far more customer focused, and that they have to take a much more collaborative and a much more consultative approach in order to create true partnerships with the NHS. So it is mixed. There are a number of reasons as to why I believe it's struggling in certain areas, but all these are struggles that can be overcome.
Yeah, exactly. So following on quite nicely from that, what I would like to know is what you think needs to happen for UK Pharma to be successful in implementing key account management. Do you think there's a one best practice model, or do you think it's something that you can learn different best practices from other sectors?
Is there a one best practice model? I would say definitely there isn't. I think there is a philosophy behind key account management which everybody should follow, and that it is very much a more business focused, a very much more customer focused and partnership approach. We can learn from other industries. I think we can learn from some of the pharma companies that are implementing it. Some of the bigger companies have put in place centres of excellence, key account management centres of excellence, where they've really focused their staff on supporting delivery of this, and we can learn from how they're going about it. I strongly believe that each individual company has to decide whether key account management is right for them, and in many respects create their own brand of key account management. It has to fit with the medicines that they're trying to sell, and some medicines won't need a key account management approach because they've got a free-for-all prescribing marketplace, but a lot of others will need that more complex approach. So firstly for me is understand exactly what key account management means for the company and for your customers. Look at best practice in other industries, see what you can take from that. Make sure that the senior leadership are all behind this approach. They have to be all behind it. If it's one person, the general manager, leading it, and the others are nodding in agreement but not really believing in it, it isn't going to work. So the senior leadership team have to shout from the rooftops. They have to be united. They have to have a strong belief. Otherwise, it filters out. And what I've seen and what I've heard from other people is that when a senior leadership team who is not fully behind this approach, and there are cracks, and some people believe in it and some people don't, it falls to bits. So look at best practice models, but decide which one is best for you. Create your own model based on the principles of key account management, and make sure that your leadership team are fully behind it, and that everyone else in the organisation knows what it is, understands how it works, and understands the benefit of key account management to each and every individual role right across the functions. This is not just a sales approach. This is a cross-functional approach that marketing and medical and market access need to buy into as well. So it really is a company-wide approach, not just something for the sales function.
Yeah, some good advice.